Hey YouTube, just thought I'd give you a quick update on the Southern Style Off-Road roof rack. I did get the lights wired in to it. This side, the driver's side, did come out better than the passenger side. I did start with the passenger side first. I ended up with having to use 3 zip ties on the driver's side, where I've got like double that amount on the other side. But what I did, and to make it a pretty clean installation, was on the driver's side I started at the back. I shrink wrapped the 2 wires for about 6-8 inches, and then ran it under the plastic rubber here. I took that all the way up to this spot where they come out, and I tie it in with the front light, and then again moving forward, I ran it up under here. I took apart the wrap I had for the front light that I installed first, and combined the 2 wires and ran it down. It doesn't sit perfectly in there, but it sits well enough. And this little piece here, this piece of plastic pops out pretty easy. Ran it up under there, and as you can see, it ties in there. Like I said, it's not perfect, but it does hold it. And while I was wiring it, I did go ahead and run 2 wires to the back. That's the orange wire there. I ran that to the back. I don't have the lights for the back yet, but I've got it pre-wired. All I need to do is put the lights on the back, wire it up, and it's already done. Also installed the brackets for the bat wing. So all in all, I wish it was a better day outside. I'd have taken it outside and shown you this evening, turned on some lights. Well, I'll run another update on it for you. But yeah, so that's how I ran the wires to get it concealed. I'll eventually take this side apart. I'm not happy with all the zip ties. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zip ties, and what I have 3 on the other side. So I will redo this side at some point soon, once we get a little better weather and it's cooler. It was a little humid in the garage yesterday while it was raining. Anyway, any questions, comments, feel free to leave them below. I will reply. That's all. Take care.